guys, welcome to my channel. Today we talk about collection list and strings. As the basic data type we introduced above, very commonly you will want to store and operate on collection of values. And Python has several data structures that you can use to this. The general idea that you can place several items to single collections and then refer that collection as a whole. Which one you use depends on what the problem try to solve. Here first is we call tuples and contain any number of items and contain different type of items, cannot be ordered once created. Items have a defined order, and the first and clear example and A, B, C, D is tuples, and you can run this and get the tuples A, B, C, and D. And tuples single string, notice that since mixture and I have mixture types, and of course your variable in tuples and other data structures, and x, y, z and tuple t equal here, and print t and 1.2, negative 0.3 and 0.9, and tuples can packet with convenient syntax. For example, here the T is 2, 3, 4, and tuple packing, and print T is T, and tuple packing and to X, Y, Z. Here it is. And after that, we call list and contain any number of items, contain different type of items, can be ordered once created. They are mutable. Item has particular order, and lists are created with square bracket around the items. For example, A and B and C, and here a list from A and B and C. A list and tuples contain a list and tuples and other type of collections. Here is matrix. Matrix is kind of list with two list kind of matrix and a print matrix like this: 1 and 0, 0 and 2. And you can convert between tuples and the list with tuple and list functions. For example, here and print and B, and here A is tuple and B is a list. And a list make a list based on tuple and a list A, make a tuple based on list tuple B. Another is manipulating tuples and list. Once your data is a list or tuple, Python supports a number of ways you can access element and list, manipulate the list in useful way, and the index access. You can access individual element by index access. For example, the T and X. T is tuple, X is list, and here is print T index 0, and we can got here T index 0 is 1 to 3, and can print X, and print X index -1 and is 33. And another is slice. You also access range of items known as slice. For example, T and X, you can slice 1 to 3, the index 1 and index to 3, and get here is the result. And in operators, and you can check if a value is a tuple or list with in operator. For example, print 1 to 3 in X. 1 to 3 in X. Does it in X? Yes, of course, right? We return true. And 2, 3, 4 in T, and we find that 2, 3, 4 is not exist in T, we return false. And a length count function. You can get the length of a list tuple with imputed length function, and can count the number of particular elements contain a list with a count function. For example, your length of the T we got here, length of T is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and print the X count 33. A number 33 and is 1, right? And after that, modifying lists. You can order lists in place but not tuples. X equal 1, 2, 3 like this, and print x, x2 equal 33, and get here, and print x can index 2 is index 0, 1, 2. 2 is 92, and index 2 92 replace with 33, can get a new new x is here is changed, and tuples cannot ordered once there has been created. If we like in index order the index 1 to 4, and we find the type arrow and drag back, and this type arrow tuples object doesn't support atom assignment, right? You can add element to the end of the list with append. We can get x 1, 2, 3, and like the append 101, we can get this 101. 1 is appended, or insert value a certain position is insert. We can get here insert position and 1000 index 3 here, index 3 is in here, and after that we can get new list x, and then remote value with remote, and remote 1, 2, 3, and delete value by index with delete. And often used able to combine array together, and it can done with extend. You can extend the b, a extend b, and a extend b we can get here. If a extend b, we can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and after that append b and print a, we can got a new list, right? And the plus symbol is shorthand for extend operation, one plot list, and a, b, c, a and b, and a plus b, and print a can get 1 to c, 4, 5, 6, and the select syntax can be used to the left side and assign operation to the assigned new subregion of a list. We can 1, 2, 3, the slice 1, 2, 3, index 1 to 3 equal here, and insert, like insert something, and get a new list, right? And change the order element in list, and we can reverse it and sort it from the small to big, right? Now that about this change list, you want to sort a curvy list and leave an untouched or sorted. You know, print sorted 1, 2, 5, 7, and from small to big. And after that, we talk about string manipulations. Strings are a lot of like tuples of characters, and individual character and substring can access and manipulating use similar operations we introduced above. For example, the text is like kind of list, so you can print the text index 0 is first one is a, right? In the text index of -2 is -1, -2 is g, right? Can get here. It's pretty easy like the list, and just with tuple try to assign the valued element of a string with that arrow, and we can get here, we try to assign this, we can get type arrow and a string object that support item assignment. And Python provide number use function that let manipulating street, and it's not a string above its return. And get here from, for example, and can s as s strip, and rs strip and strip with the space we can delete it with the strip function, and with the split, and here we got a sequence atg space tci space ccg space gtc, and with split with space, and we get new condos here, and got new list, and with the best sequence list and a tuple of character converted to a list. And split is a counterpart to join method that you join elements of the string only if elements are type string. For example, here is we can sequence and split it with space, right? And with the join here, join with this type of this, we can get a newer string. And early that we can combine them with a plus function, with a plus, and we combine them too. And after that, with join and split, we can do a lot of things. We help a lot when you split something. If you don't know, you can use help function such as string split, string split join. I can get here you wanted to do, and with the description of this function what to do. It's pretty useful function. And today we talk about the function and the collections, list, and strings. And tuples, list, and string are pretty useful for to process data. And today's lesson's over here. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.